And there's the buoy. Keep it on your... There you go. The rope's back towards the right. I want to reach down and grab the buoy and hope that it takes off again.
Right under the boat.
Do you want to just harpoon it?
He's just in reverse. Evan?
Yeah.
Get the rope, get the
Harpoon?
or something. Justin, forward. Out, neutral.
Don't try and lift him up by it, Chris.
Come on.
What?
All right. Follow the rope down and stick. Follow the rope down, stick. No, behind it. Behind the rope, right there. Push down as hard as you can. Oh, fuck! Evan, get in the fucking boat.
I can't! Ow!
Get off the rope, get off the rope, get off the rope.
Fuck!
Here.
Give me a hand, Chris!
Hang on. Come on.
Oh,
Easy.
oh my god. Oh my god.
Whoa. Get in.
I can't.
Easy.
Move.
Here.
Move. Oh my god. There's my iPhone. Decent.
Why don't you hold him and let Chris do the bang on him?
There's no way.
Dude, come on. Let's just fucking kill this thing.